ask the drivers what's going on.
Each of Ron and the 74 NFL is completing the top 5 thus far in practice sessions for the Protect.
No, it tells you when you can keep. It gives them different signals. It goes green, and it go yellow, mean caution. Do you see that one car? It blew a head gap, or it blew a gap. I don't know what it did.
No, it's a Ford.
It what? Threw a rod?
Number 3.
Thing wasn't running right.
The Northland Crane Service, Fox Repairs, Soil Works, number 18. That's Tyler Ravenberg. Tyler Ravenberg in the number 8. From Lake Elba, Minnesota, the MD Construction DXC Trunking and Repairs, number 19.
Wisconsin.
What?
City Minnesota, Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
I heard it's Minnesota.
Because he's announcing where the drivers are from.
Okay.
From Lake Elba, Minnesota,
Yeah, they lie.
the Nitro Energy Drink, Titan Exteriors and Contracting Supply, number 93. This is the Circuit Safari, Brad Peterson. Brad Peterson in the 93. From Cleveland, Minnesota, East Bar, Kinky Seltzer, Shutter Plus Photography, number 609, Pheasant Legs, Casey Lane. Casey Lane in the 609. From Osceola, Wisconsin, the DNH Farms, 544, that's Danny Aldrich. Danny Aldrich in the number 44. From Gray Eagle, Minnesota, the American Structural Metal Inc. St. Rosa
Chị
Lumber.
vào ra xong là cũng phải có một em short đủ đít nha quý vị.
Number 3K.
Hoặc là four wheeler.
Excuse me, from Lake Wisconsin, the Bradwell Auto and Truck Repair Titan Exteriors, Cherokee Motorsports, number 95. That's John Valencourt. John Valencourt in the 95, taking a look at Brad Wells. Number 95 machine tonight here on the Cedar Lake Speedway. From Duluth, Minnesota, the number 03 of Jamie Austin back here at the Cedar Lake Speedway tonight and just firing out of corners 3 and 4 now. From Hastings, Minnesota, the TCD Speed North.
Explain why need another car pulled over. Why?
Patrick Hinton in the 13.
Something was wrong with it. It was smoking really bad. Engine blew up, maybe.
No, we can't get it. We have another car.
Push it?
Yeah.
Because the race cars don't have neutral in the transmission. It only has forward gears. No reverse, no neutral.
Những cái chiếc xe đua này nó không có số nó không có reverse được và nó cũng không có số neutral, nên là luôn luôn là cần một cái xe khác ở đằng sau đẩy.